Okay, wanted to show you guys what's going on here. Oh, that's wild. It's a train coming. Look at that. Yeah, anyway, so we'll put that down there. That's where I'm trying to get to. So, see this? You'll see that's a monitor installed. That one, and I have also pinned down in here. Let's watch when it goes. There it is. And blink. See that? Just didn't work. Try it again. Blink. And if you want to look at it, also it's clear that it's 4.2.6. Points out. It's not. Here's my task manager. And it's not running anywhere here. There's no running. There's no mention of the app. And also, if you go keyboard, right, on Windows key and tab, you see this. Oops, I'll go back here a bit. There's nothing there. So, it's only the Dr. La Plata.
Much puppies?
La Plata. So, this is awful strange. Let's try to open up this one. And blink. So, try to figure that one out. I was able to make it start, but only by taking the INI file, the ATCS Mon.ini file, and I removed it out of the space, and then it started. But then it's not going to work because it doesn't have that base. It needs that INI file to work. So it's kind of strange. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to post this on my YouTube so you can have a look at it, and I'll try to get you to have a look at it.